Hello everyone. Today we shall look into Waffle chart. I'll show you the data which I have. This this is the data which could be used for Waffle chart. These are my regions, and I have a total users data. These are my total users count, and these are active users, and these are few inactive users. There may be other users as well, but here is the data which we have. This path is the path which represents the icons path, which is called SVG path. You could get this by searching on Google, and there are few sites which could help you with the SVG paths. So this is the sample data which we have. Let us explore the Waffle chart. Click on this get more visuals, and you could download the Waffle chart which we have. I have already added the Waffle chart. Let us see it. So here we could see the category data, the paths, and the values, minimum values and maximum values. In the category data, according to the data which I have, I could bring my region to category data, and let us initially put the values. I wanted to see how many active users are there accordingly. So I could bring my active users to values. So as you could see, my Waffle chart is appearing over here. These are my Waffle charts for different regions. Uh, I- in the minimum values, I'll put my inactive users, and in the maximum values, I'll use the total users. So you could see now my data is like represented appropriately for the respective regions. uh, Now let us see how paths work. Here I have my path column. As soon as I bring the path, you could see that since the path has the icons code, here you could see my icons has changed into star, and these rounded square shape, diamond shaped, and other shapes are present. So this is how paths work. You could explore many more icons like that in, and find out the SVG paths for it. By you could convert that either PNG to SVG document, and then you could find out the SVG paths. So this is how Waffle chat work, and let us see how formatting helps. In this Waffle chart there is very limited option of formatting. Here we have the default color as white. Let us change it to black. You could see that my default color has changed to black. See, when you change the default color, it changes the color for all. Okay, so if you want to keep it white, then keep it white, or if you want to keep it any other color, you could keep it. Actually white, it does not represent the values, so you could keep any darker color where it helps you represent better. I'll keep this green or red color. Okay, this is fine. I'll if you want to change the color for one particular region, you could choose that particular region, and you could change it to uh, respective, like, darker color if you want. Okay, like this. And similarly, like, we could change for each and every region. So this is how Waffle chat works. Let us like explore the other Waffle chat in the next video. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.